a new add-on. So right here, there is a triangle, square, and a circle. When you click it, you will have access to questions and answers. So you can turn them on and kids can ask questions. This one I haven't really played with too much, but the kids will just click here to ask a question. At the very end of your meeting, you'll actually get a report of all the questions. I like polls better because you can start a poll and you can, say, what did, or what, I don't know, whatever you want. Which thing do you like best? And then you can give options. And I'm just going to put random stuff here. And then as the kids do it, so you can click launch. And then you can allow them to see how many people voted for each one, or you can not, and then you can end the poll. And again, at the very end of the meeting, it'll send you a report of who answered what. I'm going to trash this one. And then finally, you have breakout rooms. And when you click on breakout rooms, right now I have 2 rooms set, but I can have 3, 4, 5. I can have, I don't know, I haven't actually checked to see the amount that I get, but I can shuffle the people and it'll shuffle anyone who's in my meeting into the breakout rooms. I can shuffle them again if I didn't like it. I can also drag them and drop them wherever I want them to be. And then when I click open breakout rooms, they're now opened and I can join any of the breakout rooms. The downside is I can only be in one room at a time. So I can only be in either the main room or I can be in each room. So it is a little more like Zoom that way. And then when you're ready to close, you click close breakout rooms, you say close all rooms, and then everyone will automatically be pushed back into your main room. The other thing that is new updated is at the end of your Google Meets, you'll actually get a report and it'll tell you how long each kid logged in, when they logged out, and if they came back, and it comes in an Excel spreadsheet. So pretty cool stuff. All right, if you have any questions, you know where to reach me.